Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the AshleMichelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And y'all, I already know we're in quarantine and we're stuck in the house, but who says you cannot be fly while doing that? So if you want to know how to achieve these nice popping, heatless curls, then keep on watching. Here's the wig that I will be styling today. I purchased this from a hair company on Amazon, and I've had this hair for about 6 months now, and I've had no problems whatsoever with this hair. I will link the company down below in the description box. But first, I'm going to take a spray bottle filled with only water to get the hair nice and damp, not soaking wet. You just want your hair damp enough so that way the product can work its magic. Next, I'm going to be sectioning off the hair with my fingers, and I'm going to be using a hair tie to separate each section. In this video, I'll be using the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask to bring these curls back to life. And I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb to comb the product throughout the entire section. And remember to always start combing from the ends and work your way up to the top to avoid breakage. Now for the fun part, I'm going to take an inch to an inch and a half size section of hair for my curl, and I'm going to place the Flexi Rod under. I'm going to say that again. I'm going to place the Flexi Rod under the hair, and placing the Flexi Rod under the section of hair will ensure that your curls will fall away from your face and perfectly frame your face. Now, the key to this hairstyle is making sure you are twisting the hair while you wrap it around the Flexi Rod. And when you twist the hair, this will create a nice body wave curl. And also make sure to secure those ends in place so that way your Flexi Rod does not fall out. Now I'm going to continue this process throughout the rest of the head. So now I'm going to show you guys how to take your Flexi Rods out. It's very, very simple. All you're going to do is just unroll your Flexi Rod in the same way, in the opposite direction that you rolled it up. So as y'all can see, this one already fell out, but I'm just going to unravel the Flexi Rod and then just twist it down in the opposite direction and just let the hair fall off. And the reason why I like to just let the hair fall off is so that way the curl doesn't get messed up. So I'm just gonna gently unravel each and every single one and then come back and show y'all what I do to actually style it. And also, if y'all want to know how I created this makeup look, definitely don't forget to check that video out. I am gonna tag that video to this video as well. Y'all, so these are what the curls look like. All I did was take the rollers out, and these how they are looking. And I'm not going to use a comb or brush to separate the curls. I'm just going to take my fingers and just gently separate each curl 1 or 2 times, just like that. So I'm gonna go through and just separate all the curls, and then I'm gonna lightly brush the top so that way it's nice and flat and even. Okay, so I'm just going to take my paddle brush and I'm just going to brush my hair down just a little bit, not all the way down, but just so that way all the curls are nice and cohesive. And I'm just trying to make sure all my tracks are covered as well. And I don't know what the heck is going on with this little piece right here. I'm gonna get some Got To Be spray and just spray that down so that way it's not standing up all crazy. Alright y'all, that is all that I have for this hair tutorial. I hope that you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Also, do not forget to drop me a comment down below of what you guys thought about this video. And also, don't forget to check out the description box for everything that I used in this video as well. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on. You guys don't want to miss any new videos that I have coming out on my channel. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.